Today I'm going to show you how to secure the sharps container. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you get your box together. You want to make sure that you tape the bottom of the box. You want to make sure that this box will not open during transportation at all. So you just tape every single area of the box. Just make sure it's safe. I like to put multiple pieces to make sure it really doesn't open. As you can see, you want to inspect your box. Make sure that all the flaps are working properly. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your sharps container. You want to make sure that the sharps container is locked. And then you slowly place it into the box. As you can see that I'm inspecting the sharps containers. Just making sure that they're all closed. Right, so another thing as well. If the container won't close, do not put inside the box. Just grab another one. So as you can see, you want to make sure that you do the inspections on your sharps containers. You want to make sure that no needles fall out of the actual container. As you can see here, I'm inspecting the box, making sure the sharps container is safely placed into the box. So we have different types of sharps container. So this one placed in the box. As you can see, that I'm having a difficult time placing the sharps container into the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just remove this because you need to be able to close the box properly and seal it with tape. So you're going to go ahead, remove the one that doesn't fit. If you do have another one, go ahead and place it in there. Inspect the container, make sure it's locked. And as you can see, I'm inspecting the container, making sure that it's locked. And then now I'm going to go ahead and place it inside the box. Once you place all the sharps container inside the box properly, you want to make sure that you tape them on all corners. You tape them, and then a sharps company will actually come and pick up these containers. But all of it must be packaged before they arrive. They will not come and package this for you. So if you're working in a laboratory, a hospital, a regular clinic, you must be able to do this.